I have this 14 by 16 inch white cardboard and these paper placemats that I picked up at Christmas Tree Shop for $4.99. Has two separate images. And I'm going to start with my Wise Owl varnish in matte finish. And I'm applying it all over this white cardboard. And applying one of the placemats, grabbing my saran wrap, making sure there's good contact and I can work on the wrinkles with my brayer. And then I'm going to make my final coat of varnish and set that aside to dry. Once dry, I took my Snow Owl by Wise Owl paint and started to blend in where the placemat ended, as it did not fit my cardboard completely. And I wanted to hide that little seam and just make everything flow. Once dry, I found this window at Walmart. And now I'm going to glue my cardboard to the back of my window frame. Once adhered, I'm going to grab some joint compound and a little dabber, and I'm just dabbing some joint compound at the bottom in each window frame. I did this after I applied the window because I didn't want the texture to make it difficult to lay flat against the window. And this is just going to really cover that seam that the paper made where the placemat started and stopped. And it just gives that illusion of snow. I just love the texture that joint compound brings. Now you can go back and put some varnish top coat on that joint compound if you wish. I found this greenery at Dollar General for $2. And it has some berries in there. And I started by just separating all the stems from each other. And I'm going to create a pattern like an L shape going down the left side and across the bottom. So I'm just gluing the greenery to my frame. Now, sometimes when I'm laying down stems like this, I focus on the petals versus the actual glue to the stem. And it seems to be a little bit easier to get it to stay. And now we're going to work on a bow. I'm just going to do a layered straight bow by grabbing 3 different ribbons. And I'm going to cut 3 strips of each color. Each strip is about 5 to 6 inches in length. And then I decided to throw in this one snowman. And I'm going to just need 1 strip of that. And I'm going to just start by layering them in an X shape. And then the printed one on the top. And then I'm going to grab some red floral wire. Any color wire works. And wrap it around the center. These types of bows use a lot less material. And the key is you want to get bows or ribbon that has the wired edge in it. It's just easier to shape at the end. Now I'm just going to glue my ribbon to the bottom left corner using my hot glue gun. I found these berries at Hobby Lobby. I'm just going to take a small section of them and glue them to the center of my bow. And now I'm going to take the original hanger that was to this window, but it was on the opposite side. I'm going to reattach it using a popsicle stick. I'm going to cut it in half. And using the popsicle stick, I'm going to hold down the jute on one side of the window. This is on the back. And then the right side of the jute. And now you have a hanger on the back. Now this is ready to hang on your wall. And there you go. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For paint products, brushes, tissue paper, transfers, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.